Hi, welcome to projectbazaar.com.
Now let me discuss about the title of our processes. Secure two-party differential private data release for vertically partitioned data. And let me discuss about the objective of this process. And the main objective of this process is to preserve the privacy of data when differentially private data are released between multiple party service providers in semi-honest adversary model. This is the main objective of our process. Now let me discuss about the abstract of our process. Nowadays data mining plays a vital role in our process. So in our data mining process we have a lack of securities. So for this we are going to propose a security in data mining process. So in our process large databases are used in communication and storing systems. Each database is owned by a particular autonomous entity. For example, medical data by hospitals, income data by tax agencies, financial data by banks, and census data by statistical agencies. Likewise, the development of new models such as cloud computing increases the amount of data distributed between multiple parties. These distributed data can be integrated to enable better data analysis for making better decisions and providing high quality services. For example, data can be integrated to improve the medical research, customer service, or homeland security. The secure private data publishing, where different attributes for the same set of individuals are held by multiple parties and decreasing computational cost. Here we are proposing new algorithm for multi-party publishing data, secure provider aware anonymization protocol. In this, we securely integrate the person-specific sensitive data from multi-data providers. In this, we supporting data mining tasks by retaining essential information, simultaneous data sharing and privacy preservation of sensitive data in vertical partitioned data. So avoid linking attacks and background knowledge by implementing key anonymity and diversity privacy models. This is the abstract of our process.
Next we go for a data flow diagram to start the process. Here we use the adult dataset to sharing and releasing the data. Here load the dataset into the database and pre-process the loaded data. Next anonymizes the loaded data to securely publishing the private data. After that share the data between multiple parties and integrate data. Finally release the data by anonymizing the data. Here I am going to show the demo of our process. Here choose the input data, which is adult dataset. After that load the data into the database. These are our input data. Here load the data into the database. The data are loaded into the database, and these are the data stored in the database. Next we have to pre-process the data, which is the filtering of the process. We have to cleaning the data. These are the pre-processed data, and we are going to use these data into further process. Here we taken these data are the sensitive informations among that input data. Here we taken as a relationship capital gain, wage and occupations are the sensitive data. When we sharing the data, we have to securely share the sensitive information. After that we are going to partition the data for multi parties. Here I am going to give a data for party 1. These are the party 1's informations, and these data are owned by party 2, and also for party 3, which is similar as 1 and 2. These are the party 3's information. These are the party 4 information. Next, we have to partition the data among multi-parties and the informations which are owned by multi-parties. Each parties have the sensitive information, so we have to hide the sensitive informations among each parties. So here we are going to anonymize the data. Each parties which are owned the sensitive information. So here we have to hide the sensitive information. Here we have taken the relationship as a sensitive data. So we have to anonymize the data. Next, for party 2. Here we have taken a sensitive information as a capital gain. So here we have to anonymize the data. For party 3, we have taken a wage as a sensitive information. So here also we have to hide that. Next, for party 4. Here occupation is a sensitive information for party 4. Next step is data sharing. Here the multi-parties which are going to share the data. Here party 1 and party 2 going to share the data, and party 3 and party 4 going to share the data. Here party 1H is going to approach for party 2's data. That is, party 1 wants the details of education and working hours per week from party 2. So party 2, which is given his data, which is the capital gain which is his sensitive information, and education and hours per week which is asked by party 1. And also for party 2 wants the details of country from party 1. So party 2 gets the data from party 1, which is a country from party 1, and other informations which are hidden. Next, data sharing between the 3 and 4. Party 3 wants the details of capital loss from party 4. He can get from the details from party 4. Capital loss from party 4. Next, party 4 going to ask the information from party 3, that is a zip code from party 3. He can get that information. Here the wages are sensitive attributes and other information which are not asked from by party 3. So the asked information only which is a zip code, so only he can get from that. Finally, data releasing. The data which are released from by the multi parties. Here we are going to release the anonymized data. The sensitive information which are hidden, each parties are requested information only can be viewed. Other data which cannot be viewed. These are the sensitive information. The star which represents the sensitive information. The hash symbol which represents indicates that the information which are not asked by the parties. These informations only asked by the parties. So we can view that from only. Next is the performance evaluation. Here we are going to see the performance of multi-party data sharing. This is the existing system and proposed system. Here also we are going to see the efficiency of. Thanks for watching.